Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to open ChatGPT links in web browser instead of desktop app. So, some people prefer using ChatGPT in web browser because they already have multiple tabs open or simply like working from the browser. If you have enabled the option to open ChatGPT links in desktop app but now want those links to open in your browser again, you can easily change these settings. Once you turn off this option, clicking supported ChatGPT link will no longer automatically launch in desktop app. Instead, they will open in browser. So first open ChatGPT and then click on the ChatGPT button in the menu bar. Now choose settings and then here make sure to disable the toggle light to open ChatGPT link in desktop app. And from now on, whenever you click on the link in ChatGPT app, it will redirect you to the default browser you have set. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.